Now we are going to practice asking questions. Trouvez les questions. We have been given 5 statements and we are going to ask the question. So the first sentence, Je me lève à midi. I wake up at noon. So the question will be, at what time do you wake up? À quelle heure? Now, je becomes tu when you ask the question. So, tu te lèves. Tu te, and the tu conjugation has an S and a question mark at the end. À quelle heure tu te lèves? At what time you wake up? So that is the first question. The next sentence, il se lève à la même heure. So, il se lève à la même heure. So here also you can ask, à quelle heure? Now, il remains, il se lève. So you can ask, at quelle heure il se lève? Now the next question, next sentence, nos enfants se préparent seuls le matin. So the question here will be, how do they prepare? So, comment se prépare? Nos enfants can be written as ils. Comment? So, se prépare ils. So this kind of a question is called the inversion. You can ask comment ils se préparent, how they prepare, or you can write comment se prépare ils. So both are right. So that is called an inversion. Next, on se voit l'après-midi. One saw him in the afternoon. One is seen in the afternoon. So what would be the question? When. And do you remember the word for when? It is quand. On se voit l'après-midi. So your question will be quand since the subject is vous, the voir conjugation is voyez, quand vous voyez, and the subject vous. So like I told you, this is the inversion form. The subject is written at the end in the hyphenated form. Quand vous voyez vous. So this is the subject and this is the reflex. Moving on to the last sentence. Il se couche quand nous partons travailler. So, il se couche quand nous partons travailler. So here also the question is when. And the word for when is quand. Quand. So, se couche. Now the subject is il. Se and couche. And finally, we write the hyphen and the subject. So you must not forget the question mark. Quand se couche il. So this is how you write the question. So now you can ask a question that has a reflex, and you can also answer the questions because we know the conjugation in the present tense and in the passé composé.